Hello teachers. So for today's video, I will share to you the lesson planner I have. So first, you're going to sign in here, tech2forms.com. After that, click mo yung lesson planner. Before we can generate the lesson plan, click muna natin itong manage profile and saka i-fill out natin ito. Automatic na talaga lahat pag mag-download tayo ng lesson plan. Filling in here the information, then save profile. Next, click this grade level. So you're going to select what grade level are you in. For example, you are teaching grade 11. And then next is the subject. So the subject listed here are the new subjects for these 3 terms. Kung wala po yung subject dito, pwede naman natin i-click tong custom at saka ilagay natin yung subject. So for this video, isa-select natin yung general mathematics. Next is the instructional model. You can select the instructional model 4A's, 5E's, 5A's, 7E's. So for this video, select natin yung 4A's saka yung language or medium instruction natin, English. Then, teaching days. Select din natin yung number of teaching days, 5, 4, or 1. 1 day, this is only for detailed lesson plan. For example, select natin yung 4 days. Then, we're going to choose the format or template that we're going to use. Hindi ko pa dinilit yung old template, pero pwede po natin yan gawin dito. So, for now, let us select the new template. Next is, we are going to choose the curriculum framework. Since grade 11 is now in the strengthened curriculum, so we must check this one. And then, reference file. So, kung meron po kayong mga lesson exemplar or mga any file na related sa inyong topic, pwede po natin yan i-upload. Just drag here, it will automatically upload. Next is, we are going to write the main topic or the general subject that we are going to have. So, in this case, punta po tayo sa budget of works, general mathematics. 3 term na po ito. For example, sa first week, the number and algebra natin dito. Next, ito na po yung specific learning competency. So, makikita natin dito sa ating budget of works na merong 2 learning competencies. Select natin yung first, copy, and then i-paste natin dito. Now, for the duration, ito po yung number of teaching days for this specific learning competency. I will set this learning competency to be equal to 2 days. Now, let's start with day 1 or Monday. Next, add learning competency. So, i-select na naman natin yung second learning competency and then paste this one here. And then, set the duration into 2 days. Ito na po tayo dito sa additional instruction. So, in this additional instruction, this is actually optional. Pwede naman natin lagyan or hindi lagyan. Kayo na po ang bahala. For example, you can instruct the AI to focus on localized examples. Pero kung wala ka pong instruction dito, leave as blank na lang po. After that one, you're going to generate that ELP. Click this one and then it will cost you or consume you 1 credit. Then, proceed. So, let us wait na lang for 2 to 3 minutes and then we're going to download the content or the lesson plan. Okay, tapos na po. Download natin ito. Click this button, download.docs. And then, let us check. So, ito na po yung ating lesson plan na download. So, ito yung lesson title, number and algebra. Then, number of sessions since we have 4 days. So, meron tayong session 1, session 2, session 3, at saka session 4. Now, we will check if it's pointing to the correct budget of works. So, let's proceed first term budget of work ng general mathematics. So, makikita natin dito ito yung ating topic, di ba? Yung learning competency. What is the content standard of that? So, tingnan natin yung content standard ng number and algebra at saka dito. Makikita natin walang iba. Ito lang yun. Business and finance through problems involving earning money, buying and selling. So, try natin check kung yun ba talaga. So, yan. Business and finance through problems involving earning money and buying, selling. Next is the performance standard. So we have here, prepare accurate payrolls and digital pay slips with correct gross pays, deductions, net income. Try natin kung Tama ba? By the end of the lesson, learners are able to prepare accurate payrolls and digital payslips with correct gross pay deductions and net income. Since this is an AI generated, dapat tayo mga teachers, chine-check pa rin natin ito. No? Punta tayo dito sa pre-lesson. So yung mga pre-lesson natin, meron siyang activity. Next is the flow. This is now the flow of the discussion. The flow of the discussion is hindi po siya kabulit lang. So makikita natin dito, teacher presents the key formulas. Yan, no? So, this is the formula. At ang maganda pa dito is kung mathematic teacher ka, we all know na hindi madali yung mag-write ka ng mga equations. Pero dito, pag download mo ng lesson plan na generated dito sa system, hindi naman lahat ng mga symbols and notations ay kaya nito i-generate. Siguro mga 70% of the 70 to 80% of the symbols and notations successfully generated by this system. So, no need na talagang magsulat na equation. Next is the formative assessment. Ang maganda dito sa formative assessment is meron siyang answer keys. Yan, meron siyang mga answer keys. And then, of course, yung signatories. For ito po yung new template ng Department of Education. By next video, naman yung one day or yung detailed semi or semi-detailed na lesson plan for our class observation. Yun lang po. Salamat sa lahat.